And again, tonight is filled with OPM, timeless classics, love songs, and a whole lot more. Of course, aside sa ating mga minamahal na manonood, mas masaya kung mas marami pa tayong makakasama ngayong gabi, Jay.
Oy!
Katulad na lang ng aming tatawagin ngayon.
Ready na po ba kayo? Ready na ba? Alright, ako, ito, isa sa mga hinahangaan bagong mang-aawit ng henerasyon ngayon, no? May we call on our dear friend, Kimo! Let's go!
Hello po! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat! And once again, what's up brother? What's up sister?
Thank you so much.
Dito ako sa gitna niyo.
Uy, appear mo naman
So,
ako. Appear.
appear. Ikaw. Appear.
There. Nasa
Ayun.
sarili world.
Parang ano overdress ako ngayon
Hindi, kasi nakadepende yun sa song. Ngayon, kanina kasi nag-apat sa kami.
Apat na.
So, ready ka na ba to? Ready ka na?
Parang kupustod.
Hindi naman. Ang pagaganda. Palibdib mo.
Ready na ba kayo?
Palibdib mo. Hindi
So, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi si Boo. And make some noise and palakpakan mo dyan!
Wala lang.
Oh,
Kamusta naman ba?
dapat kami nga magtatanong sa'yo, kumusta naman ang Cebu so far?
Ako ba? Kamustahin niyo? Ako second time ko dito sa Cebu. And yeah, every time na nagpe-perform ako dito, masaya-masaya ako dahil warm yung pagtanggap ng crowd sa akin. And especially sa inyong dalawa, kung hindi dahil sa inyong dalawa, wala akong translator.
Okay lang yun.
Oo, at saka guys, nandito na naman kami tatlo na naman. So, yung appetite na itong dalawa, hindi ko marunong masabayan. So, mapapakain na naman ako dito sa Cebu.
Speaking of kain, ano ba ang mga na-try mo na, anong favorite mo sa mga yun?
Ako, especially, syempre, Cebu. Nandito tayo sa Cebu. Lechon.
Lechon.
Ayun.
Dapat sige daw kayo lechon, sorry.
At saka, sige,
Kung kasabot ka ako, hindi ko.
kamay lang.
Tayo.
Oh my God. Oh, nya. Asa man sa Cebu ka nakaanto na?
Dili, sa makan. Nagulap ko.
Bisaya ka tayo.
I'm learning. JM,
Ay, pero si JM, may gusto siya ituro sa'yo na more Bisaya words. Di ba, JM?
Ano yun, bro?
Yes, di ba?
Gusto ka itong rehearse na to. Iiwan ako.
Sige. Pwede lang. Ano lang, ibitin lang sila. Sige, go.
Sige. Kani, importante kayo nga mabalaan din mga words. Baho, kuko. Aho, oo, nabot.
Bro!
Aho,
Aho?
ko,
Ko?
oh,
Oh?
lubot. Hindi, joke lang. Ako, marunong po ito mag-Bisaya si Kimo.
Mas na-expose siya dahil kami naman ni JM ay nagbibisaya palagi. So, kasama siya nasama sa amin. So, alam niya na yung mga pinag-uusapan. And speaking of, alam naman ng marami tayong famous singers na Bisaya.
Yes.
Diba? At sobrang nakaka-proud talaga ang Miss Black Talents. May ilan dyan, sila Miss Dulce, si Miss Dina Morales, marami pang iba, Miss Shireen, Ate Morissette, marami pa.
And of course, Mariel Monteliano, di ba? Cebu.
Kung hindi pa paulit, JM De La Serra. Ay, ba't kidding aside, iba rin talaga ang gawang Pinoy. Tatak Pilipino talaga.
Yes, ito yan. At dahil dyan, we give tribute to original Filipino music or OPM. OPM tells the stories of our hearts, our dreams, and our identity as Filipinos. Of course, let's honor the artists who continue to inspire us with their music.
Yeah, so let's not make this any longer. To serenade us with some beautiful timeless OPM hits, Idol Philippines Season 2 Grand Champion, our brother,
Kimo! Let's go!
Oh, and tonight, I will be serenading you with wonderful OPM music, and we will celebrate love tonight through music. And if kung alam niyo yung kanta, pwede niyo ba akong sabayan? Game! There I was, empty piece of the shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life were love with you. 'Cause you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence. That it all began when I met you. The love that touch of your name, and when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm onto something good, and I'm sure love for you will endure. You love the light I want, and take all my cares away with any part of me. And you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. Oh, you gave me the meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence. That all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. You showed me how to love. And today my love is different from the yesterday. I knew that you taught me to love, and darling, I'll always cherish you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. Okay na ba tayo? Pwede po bang bumaba? Para makita ko lahat. And I'm sure that if it comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. The love I cannot ask for more. Everybody, come on! If you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. Although you gave me a reason to my life, yes, I've gone beyond existence. That it all began when I met you. Okay, everybody on this side. And 3, 2, 1, sing a microphone! One more time, say it once again. You. 'Cause I'm gone beyond existence. That it all began when I met you. You want more? Kanina, Cebu, you want more? And that's when I met you. Also one of my favorite songs. And wait lang, water break muna tayo. Ito kakantahin ko, sino bang iniwan? Sino ba yung mga heartbroken dyan? Ikaw nanay, heartbroken ka. Ilang taon na po kayo? Ilang taon na po kayo, ma'am? Ay, good evening po. 56. And where are you from, ma'am? Lapu-Lapu City. Ba't heartbroken mo? And kung heartbroken ka, ma'am, for sure, sa inyo itong kanta to. And ikaw ang dedicatean ko ngayong kanta to ngayon. And that comes for you, ma'am. And sana magustuhan mo. 56 years old, heartbroken.
Pagkais, Jude.
Nasaktan kita. Nooy from Consolacion. Parang dito ako, parang malapit yung puso ko dito sa VIP, no? Oo. Baka kasi ano eh, alam mo yun, mga ganun silang ano eh. Ganun sila minsan eh. Ma'am, ano sabi nga po nila, blessed ang mapagbigay. De, joke lang. And thank you so much, ma'am, sa mga nag-avail po ng VIP ngayon, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Kuya KS, nandito ka. Maraming salamat for being here tonight. And you want more? And ano lang, quick story lang. And habang nagbibigay sila, JM at saka si Mariel. Yan, si JM at saka si Mariel, very dear sa akin yan. Yung kaibigan, mga kaibigan kong yan. Especially sa, yan, mga ganito chances na magpa-perform kami together. Dahil, yun nga, ito na lang yung mga times na magkakasama kami. Dahil, yun nga, most of the time, lagi sila nasa events, lagi sila nagpa-perform. And itong special moment na to, actually first time lang ulit kami namin magkita-kita ulit. And kayo ang witness ngayong gabi. And we are all here because of love. And we are all here because of JBN. Tama ba? Yes! We are all here to be an instrument of love. And we are all here to be an instrument para maging masaya kayong lahat. Masaya naman pa so far. And this next song, actually kinanta to ni Michael Pangilinan and na-revive ko siya for my album ngayong taon. And if you know the song, pwede kayong kumanta, pwede kayong sumayaw. And this song is called Kamahalan. And sana gusto mo ito. Doon naman ako sa gitna. Okay pa po ba dyan nakamang, sir? Nakakaaliw, kahit papatapin, parang kang bituin, nanalapin dingding. Di ba sabi, umiikot ang mundo? Sa minutong kaway matanaw ko, o kamahalan, puso mo yung sa iyong kaganda, hindi makaya. Puso mo yung kaganda, pinagsisigawan sa kanaw. na kayo makita ulit yung dalawa, pero sasamantalin ko muna to. Hi ma'am, magandang gabi po. And bagong lahat, gusto ko lang ulit magpasalamat sa Love Notes and sa aking mga kaibigan. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Music! Bagong lahat, palakpakan muna na may kasamang iyawan! Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, Cebu. And pag after nito, may huli pala ng kantahan. And if you know the song, please sing along with me. Come on! Oh, love of my life, destined forever, and I will be right here by your side. And no falling tears when we're together. You know the joy you bring to me. And there'll be no other who will share as our lovers. Right from the heart, from my tears, so I will give it to you, girl. My every little thing that I'm more than aware of, I will give to you. Forever starts from now, I promise you. Loving you is all that I can do. No one can take it away from nobody. Alright guys, for the very last time, if you know this song, sing along with me. Yeah! Alright. Dito muna tayo sa kaliwa. Falling out, falling in, with the joy of this world. Don't know, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. But we can really never tell it all. No, 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 no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand was the things big and then just change. We can really never tell it all. No, 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 no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. It's so old, baby. Please smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Come on now, take a little time, see the butterflies, listen to the birds, flowers center. Papatalo ba yung nasa kanan? There's a such a wonderful place to be. That's right, come on! Even in the rain, everything will be alright as long as the world Thank you very